Old woods ghost here again, playing out in the snow. The reason for here is take this guy for its main voyage. KelTec BPD Bullpup in 5.56. I got this guy back the weekend of Thanksgiving, where our weather here has been consistently crappy, if not worse, and rode back to the range where I usually go. It's still iced in. It's been iced in since the beginning of December. This picture was taken last Friday, so. Well, I figured we're gonna have a bit of a snow day today, and I've just been itching to put some rounds through this guy. So let's take a closer look at the gun first, and then we're gonna make some noise.
Well, was thinking about what my next rifle purchase was going to be, and I kicked around the idea of getting an AR-10, but you know, new mags, additional ammo that I don't have, and of course I'm still on the hunt for an AK. I do have a couple of mags for those I picked up at flea markets, what have you, but so I haven't found one I like at the price I want. But I always like the looks of these bullpups, and been kind of watching them for a bit, and then I reached out to Eric at Freedom Front Firearms down in Briningsville, PA. Online, I know him from Instagram, and told him what I was looking for, and he came back with a really good quote, signed, sealed, delivered. No money up front, you know, just come and get it when I got it. So we got it all worked out. I picked it up a couple weekends ago, but weather here has not been cooperating much. We snow and rain and temps dropping, and you know, just not conducive for playing back there at that particular range. And we'll be going out tomorrow, but again, we're having another one of those events, so hopefully Friday I can get this guy out and see what it does. But the only thing I've done to it other than put it to a couple, you know, see how, slapping mags in it and all that stuff, was added one of these Fiocchi red dots, similar to the one I got on the Snake, and that one's been pretty good. So I did put the riser on it. No, they came with the riser. Sorry, I'm thinking of something else. Anyways, so we'll see how that is. I gave it a preliminary dial-in, but it's going to take a little more. And sling here, and that came from Temu, and this is a Magpul clone sling. This did come with a sling, but just a basic black one, and you do have to use their clips. So I had to take the clips off of this one and put it on here because these mounts are a little thicker than what you normally run into. But yeah, hoping we're going to have a good day with this when I get it out.
This is the distance I'll be shooting at. I don't know, it's about 30 yards maybe. Kind of hard to tell with that big old bullpup sitting there, but he ain't moved in a bunch of years, and I don't think he'll be moving anytime soon. So, but snow's coming down. Ammo is a PMC 5.56 M155, 55 grain. Mag is a PMag 20 with a DOS boot 2-round extender on it. Not sure where I'm hitting at, but we'll find out. Well, that's it for Mag 1. Still figuring out the safety, but Still getting the sling sorted out too, but well, that's a wrap. Well, 52 rounds in, 52 rounds out, not a single burp or fuss. A couple other things I've added since I did the video back of my shop there. I picked up the magwell from KelTec. Pretty easy to install. There's another one's a little fancier, but for the money, I think this one's going to work out just fine. And this is a Fayacci laser dot. Just got that in yesterday. It's not sighted in. It's way off. Looking at it with the bore light, so that's going to take some fine tuning. So, anyways, all right, take a walk up now and see what's going on with the target. Of course, you can see back here, there's a lot of branches and holes and Lord knows what lurking under these back here, but kind of make yourself slowly through it. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what. Make sure you can see this. I'll tell you what, it ain't bad, considering that sight's only partially dialed in, but looks like every shot was on the paper, so I ain't gonna complain for the first time. Maybe get out to the range and give it a few more run-throughs and see if I get it dialed in better, but, you know, everything's in the black. Can't argue with that. Well, that's all for this one, folks. Hope you enjoyed my little introduction to Bullpup. One other thing I will be getting for it's a forward, angle forward grip. Ordered from Daniel Defense a few weeks ago. Only come to find out they're in the middle of a warehouse move, so only being shipped at the beginning of January. Usually they're pretty good, so I'll cut them some slack. So, anyways, I sure won't see you before Christmas. Have a merry and a safe and happy New Year, guys. And that's all for now.